At the intersection of elevated aesthetics and tactical efficiency sits Triple Aught Design, a San Francisco-based gear outfit that specializes in making mission-capable equipment. We've been big fans of the brand for a while now, as they consistently strike the right balance between form and function. Due to the nature of their batch selling process, however, their products are almost always selling out. In any case, when we got our hands on the Fast Pack Litespeed backpack, and in a limited edition woodland camo colorway, no less, we knew we had to see if Triple Aught Design could follow through on its promise. Eager to test what is, by far, one of the most tactical backpacks we've handled, we take a closer look in this in-depth, hands-on review. Okay, let's face it, the Fast Pack Litespeed is an incredibly militaristic backpack, especially in the case of our limited edition test model. Shot in a variety of combat-ready colorways, it comes adorned with an intimidating array of external accessories. When you get eyes on the bag, you're not really sure where to look. From the multitude of MOLLE webbing to the fast transporter tail panel, the Fast Pack Litespeed is abounding with carry accommodations on virtually every surface. For this reason, the bag can prove pretty overwhelming when you're first figuring out how it functions. Some of the systems aren't very intuitive, though with a bit of practice you'll come to understand the tricks to making them work for you. It's a big part of what makes the Fast Pack Litespeed so appealing to gear nerds. Unlike your basic run-of-the-mill book bag, it's a pack that's practically limitless in its potential. You'll always be finding new ways to carry things. Despite its complexity, the Fast Pack Litespeed is surprisingly manageable insofar as its size is concerned. Measuring some 20 inches long by 10 inches wide by 6 3/4 inches deep, it allows for a respectable 22 liters of storage. Now, it's hardly what you'd call a catch-all, but the bag's capability is super impressive when you consider its compact footprint. Unfortunately, however, the Fast Pack Litespeed is light only in name. At 3.8 pounds unloaded, it's a pretty hefty pack. Beyond its outward appearance, the Triple Aught Design Fast Pack Litespeed is also mission capable in its materials usage. The entire bag is made right here in the USA, with clean seams and stitching throughout, and an overall air of rugged dependability. For the body, Triple Aught Design has built the Fast Pack Litespeed from a 1000D Cordura ballistic nylon, an ultra-tough textile that's resistant to water, abrasions, punctures, and pretty much anything else you may encounter. What's more, it comes with helpful add-ons like a large Velcro patch on the upper quarter, multiple Hypalon reinforcement points, as well as a frame sheet for support. And that's not all. In order to keep you cool and comfortable, the Fast Pack Litespeed incorporates Drylex Aero spacer mesh on the back panel and shoulder straps, along with some Evazote closed-cell foam for the padding. Together, they do a great job of channeling sweat and providing support, but we'll get into that more later. Expectedly, Triple Aught Design has outfitted the Fast Pack Litespeed with quite the assortment of hardware pieces. For the closures, it sports a suite of YKK zippers that have been reversed coiled for durability and fitted with 550 paracord pulls for purchase. What's more, the exterior of the bag comes adorned with Triple Aught Design's PALS webbing system. Consisting of ITW Gillytex webbing, anchor points, and buckles, it runs the width of the bag and fills out 2 distinct layers for added customization potential. In practice, it's incredibly easy to attach accessories to the bag, as there is no shortage of places to put things. The bag may be busy, sure, but you can't fault it for its uncompromising extra preparedness. Easily one of the best features of the Fast Pack Litespeed would have to be the paracord compression system at the top. Cinching down on each side of the bag, it provides 4 adjustable loop points through which you can secure everything from climbing ropes to packable jackets. As if that wasn't enough, it's completely removable so that you always have 8 feet of cord in the event of an emergency. And that's far from all the bag has to offer. At the bottom of the Fast Pack Litespeed, you'll also find a set of adjustable retainer straps. We really like these for bulkier items like jackets and sleeping bags. Assuming that you still need more carry, Triple Aught Design even includes a removable transporter tail organizer. Clipping into the sides of the bag via a set of adjustable compression straps, it allows you to heft oddly shaped carry, such as helmets or firearms, wherever you go. Because the Fast Pack Litespeed is designed to work with Triple Aught Design's expansive catalog of carry accessories, it doesn't come with many organizational amenities out of the box. Thankfully, however, the transporter tail organizer is removable, meaning you can slide it inside the bag and use it as an interior divider. Admittedly, installation is a little fiddly, so we'd advise doing so only when you need to. Once you do, however, the Fast Pack Litespeed becomes considerably more capable for EDC duty. Within the sleeve, we were able to fit a 13-inch MacBook Air, though there's plenty of room for larger devices. Adjacent, the main cavity offers sufficient storage for a tech organizer and a set of large over-ear headphones. On the lid of the bag, Triple Aught Design has fitted a series of zippered pouches for stashing your accessories. In the lower pocket, we opted to put a laptop charger and its accompanying cable, with room to spare. Above, there's another compartment that's ideal for keeping things like charging banks, key organizers, and AirTag trackers. Even with all of these items added, we still had room for a magazine and a water bottle. Though Triple Aught Design sells no shortage of accessories, we'd have preferred it if the bag came with a holster for your hydration, at the very least. Out front, there's a quick access admin pocket that runs the length of the bag. Inside, there are a series of dividers for stowing your EDC essentials. Accordingly, we were able to fit some pencils and pens, a pocket knife, a flashlight, as well as a pocketable notebook. Rounded out by a set of loops at the base, great for stowing jackets and sleeping pads, the result is a bag that's ready to take on any adventure. Oh, and before we forget, Triple Aught Design engineered the Fast Pack Litespeed to be fully compatible with hydration bladders. Simply slip the reservoir into the transporter tail organizer, feed the hose under the pass-through, and you're ready to roll. While there's no denying the appeal of ultra-tough textiles and expansive organizational systems, at the end of the day, it's the on-body experience that really matters, especially in the case of pseudo-tactical backpacks such as the Fast Pack Litespeed. Accordingly, Triple Aught Design has built the bag with a seriously heavy-duty harness system. The back padding is made using a series of raised Evazote foam panels, allowing for increased airflow and superior moisture management. For the straps, Triple Aught Design used a combination of polyester and nylon mesh to provide for unwavering support with some added comfort. The straps aren't especially thick, but the generous padding and removable sternum strap distribute the weight evenly. And here's the thing, Triple Aught Design also gave the straps a set of load lifters to help relieve some of the pressure on your shoulders. Add to that an assortment of D-rings, sliders, and clips, and you're left with a pair of straps primed and ready to complete the mission. Oh, and we should point out one especially neat feature. Around the bag, Triple Aught Design has fitted the Fast Pack Litespeed with length keepers to eliminate excess dangle. Simply roll the buckle back into the strap, secure the elastic retainer, and away you go. The reality is that the Triple Aught Design Fast Pack Litespeed is far more backpack than most people need, certainly on a day-to-day basis. The overwhelming number of buckles, clips, and webbing straps is far from intuitive, and the sheer weight of the thing makes it impractical as an EDC option. Put another way, you probably don't want this bag for desk duty. That being said, if modularity is your thing, the Fast Pack Litespeed is sure to deliver. With its complexity comes a seemingly endless amount of ways to carry things. If you're the type who's taking on adventure week in and week out, this bag is perfectly capable of being your primary point of carry. Out of the box, it doesn't come with much in the way of organizational features. However, Triple Aught Design's expansive catalog of accessories means that you can make the Fast Pack Litespeed whatever you want it to be.